We Christians, of course, believe in God the Holy Spirit. We believe that the Spirit is present with us as our advocate, as the one who inspires us to do good things, the one who guides us on our journey of faith. But the reality is that we don't have to be at Mass. We don't have to be deep in prayer to be moved by the Spirit. We can experience the Spirit in our everyday lives. So we can be inspired by the words of a great speaker or homilist. We're moved sometimes to tears by the writing of our favorite novelist. Our spirits soar when we hear the music of a great composer or songwriter. On a more down-to-earth level, we're inspired every day by the selflessness of our family members, friends, and fellow parishioners. But we can also be inspired by being called to action, by following the example of a neighbor or friend who is particularly just or particularly charitable. And so the Holy Spirit, the third person of the Trinity, is available to us every day in our everyday experience. And I invite us all to look and watch out for the presence of the Holy Spirit in our lives today.